Dumelang baheso le amoetswe kgasong ena ya ditaba tsa Sesotho ho SABC 2 empa ha re qale ka dihlooho tsa tsona.
We are here to wrap up the 16 days. Must remember the 16 days is an international campaign. But today we are going to launch a national campaign.
Letsholo la matsatsi a 16 a kgahlano le tlhekefetso ya basadi le bana le phethetswe ka jeno mme ho kgakolwa la matsatsi a 365. Dipapading Royal AM e phumanetse dintlha tse 3 kgahlano le Richards Bay. Re dithagola semmuso ka ditaba tse reng letona la basadi bana le batho ba qhwadileng le batho ba phelang ka boqhwala Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma le gakotse letsholo la matsatsi a 365 le kgahlano le tlhekefetso ya bong Pietermaritzburg ka jeno. Letona le ne le kwala matsatsi a 16 a letsholo le kgahlano le ho hlokofatswa wa bana le basadi.
Letona Dlamini Zuma ha mo letona kgolo ya KwaZulu-Natal le bahlanka ba bang ba hlaeletseng ka mahetla ba eteletse pele mohwanto wa Being in Her Shoes ho bontsha tshehetso ho basadi ho beng kgahlano le diketso tsa dikgoka tsa bong. Dipalopalo di bontsha ha le diketsaro tse fetang 1,600 tsa tlhekefetso ya bong pakeng tsa Phupu le Loetse selemong sena setrekeng sa Umgungundlovu.
We are here to wrap up the 16 days. Must remember the 16 days is an international campaign. But today we are going to launch a national campaign. And that national campaign is going to be 365 days. We will participate in the 16 days internationally when it comes. But we have realized that we can't just say 16 days. When women are killed every day, they are raped every day, they are beaten up, abused every day. So it must be an everyday campaign.
Tona kgolo ya KwaZulu-Natal Nomusa Dube-Ncube o etsa kgoeletso ya hore dinyewe tsa GBV di se phumulwe kgahlano le bao ba belaellwang.
Mongodi e moholo wa ANC Fikileng Balula o se o lotse ka bohalo ho kgakolwa ha mokga wa setlabotjha wa dipolotiki o theilweng ke modulasetulo wa mehleng wa First Rand mme e boetse e le moebi Roger Jardine. Balula o se o entse ditsheolo tsena letsholong la ANC la boiketo ba dikgetho le bileng holong ya Wetela West Rand province ya Gauteng.
Nakong ena e wele le hlanahlana la motimahlaha ha boitukisetsong ba mekga ba dikgetho. Balula o re ho kgakolwa ha mokga wa Jardine ke projeke e tshehetswang ka ditjhelete ho hlokisa ANC botsitso nakong ya dikgetho.
Today they are launching an organization which I don't even know what its name is. Omnyumtu apa odumileyo overnight bathi ngu Roger Jardine. Yeah, well, you're not. They are forming a political party and they are on a mission of bribing ANC veterans. Omavuso Msimanga.
Ka ho le leng ha ile ka Jeffreys Bay, moetapele wa UDM Bantu Holomisa, o re ba ikemiseditse ho sebetsa ka bokgabane dikgethong tsena tse tlang.
This program is going to empower our volunteers, people who are going to do door-to-door campaign. They will have to understand the vision and the mission of the UDM and what has UDM done in the past.
UDM e re tlotsola pele ho hlophisa di-workshop tsa baithaopi ho phatlalla le naha e le karolo ya letsholo la mogala la boitukisetso ba dikgetho.
Letona la thuto province ya Gauteng Matome Chilwane o re ba ngodisitse diperesente tse 98 tsa dikopo tsa barutwana tsa palo yohle e ka bang dikete tse 270 tseo lefapha la hae le di fumaneng. O teketse seboka sa baqolotsi ba ditaba puo a le Midrand.
Mokuruthamaga wa thuto mo Gauteng Matome Chilwane a re lefapha la gagwe la amogela barutwana ba bašwa ba ka nna dikete di le 30 ngwaga le ngwaga go tswa kwa diprofenseng. Go ya ka Chilwane ga go bonolo go rulaganyetsa go amogelwa ga barutwana ngwaga le ngwaga jaaka batsadi ba le bantsi ba batla gore bana ba bona ba ungwelwe mo thutong e nang le boleng e fitlhelwang mo Gauteng.
In terms of the growing system, it's not our choice. Let's say we are a victim of our own success. You know, when you have a growing economy, you're providing good quality education. Obviously, parents will want to bring their children to that province.
Tshilwane a re ditlhatlhobo tsa matric tsa 2023 di tsweletse sentle fela le gore go nnile le ditiragalo tse di sa amogelesegeng di le mmalwa.
The only thing that was there were about 51 overall irregularities that occurred, of which 45 were learners, 45 of them were 45 learners caught with crib notes, trying to copy, and then we had 5 learners who were in possession of cell phones.
Mokhuduthamaga o boleletse babega dikgang gore lefapha mo polokelong le na le barutabana ba ba sa direng ba feta 160 ba ba malalalaotswe go thusa dikolo tse di imelwang mo Gauteng ngwaga e tlang. O ikuetse go baagi go thusa go sireletsa dikolo jaaka dinako dingwe di totiwa tebang le go thubiwa ka nako eno ya malatsi a boikhutso. Offense Stimo, SABC News, Midrand.
Letona la naha la motlakase ngaka Kgosientso Ramokgopa le amoetse ka diatla tse pedi o thongwa ha Den Marokane go ba mohlanka e motjha wa phethahatso wa Eskom mo a hlalositseng hore boetapele bo tsitsitseng bo tla thusa ho rarolla mathata motlakase naheng ena. Ratela pele di-Hawks provinseng ya Northern Cape di entse temoso kgahlano le bakganni ba palamisang batho ba kopang di-lift ka hore ho bonahala hona le sehlopha sa mashudu ya makoloi a ikgakanyang ka ho kopa di-lift. Lekala lena le re diketsahalo tsena di phahame haholo dikarolong tse fapaneng tsa province ya Northern Cape.
The warning comes after a case of carjacking was recently registered at Hartswater subs. A similar case was registered by the Kuruman subs all in the same month. This could be the work of a syndicate operating in 2 districts. The incidents vary where at one stage it's criminals pretending to be the hitchhikers, whilst on the other incidents it's hitchhikers being robbed by the criminals, pretending to offer the lift with the sole intention of committing a crime by robbing passengers of their belongings.
Motho ona a ikisitse batho go tswa teng and then batho ba ba eleditse ba mo tswalla between Scale le Kuruman ba mo ntshetsa ditlhobolo ba re ba tsa koloi ya gagwe ba mo hunela ba mo latlhela mo nageng. So from there Irelandsa try go recover koloi ya gagwe tlile kwano a tlo putsisa ka batho ba bane ba haika of which gona ga re itse batho ba bane ba haika and nka se re o haikise sebane bane so re rata go thiba batho ba rona ba agi ba rona gore di haike ga di ya siama.
Mopresidente wa boahlodi lekaleng la Gauteng la lekgotla la le phahameng la dinyewe Afrika Borwa Dunstan Mlambo o ipiletsa hore ho be le metjha e meng ya ho rarolla dinyewe e ka thusang ho fokotsa tshubihlellano e teng lenaneng ya dinyewe tse nkang dilemo di sa phethelwe. Mlambo o buile sena sebokeng sa boahlodi se neng se tshwaretswe Sun City Resort provinseng ya North West.
Boahlodi bore ho hlokahala metjha e metjha e ka thusang ho fokotsa mosebetsi o mongata o baahlodi le bo magistrata ba tobaneng le ona. Mopresidente wa baahlodi Dunstan Mlambo o re sena se ka thusa le gore dinyewe di phethelwe ka potlako.
One other issue that conference discussed was the rising workload of judges and magistrates. That it is one of the reasons that cases take a long time to be finalized through the judicial process. Conference noted that and urged judicial leadership to expedite pending initiatives like the Seneke Committee that will look at judicial establishments with a view to adding judicial capacity.
Mlambo o re metjha e metjha e ka thusa le ho fokotsa palo ya dinyewe tse ngata tse saleng di tswella ka dilemolemo.
Conference also noted the importance of alternative dispute resolution mechanisms, including mediation, which could help in terms of decongesting court rolls. And conference urged judicial leadership to find ways of introducing these alternative ways of dealing with disputes in the courts.
Boahlodi bore metjha e metjha e ka tlisa diphetoho tseo bo di labalabelang. Selwane Gagau, SABC News, Rustenburg.
Mamelodi Sundowns e bapetse ka noto sehlopha ka Stanley Pyramids ya Egepeta dipapading tsa bompudi ba CAF kajeno stadiumong sa Loftus Versfeld. Sundowns e maemong a pele ho group A ka dintlha tse 4 le ha empa dihlopha kaofela ho group ena di na le dintlha tse 4. Sehlopha sa Royal AM se hlotse sa Richards Bay ka ntlha tse 3 ho tse 2 papading ya DStv Premiership Pietermaritzburg kajeno. Royal AM e nyolohetse maemong a 12 lokong ya Premier Soccer League. Ha re boneng dintlha kgolo tsa papadina.
Picks up Menzi Masuku instead, who scored a goal against Cape Town Spurs in their previous match. This is brilliant work done by Khaleesi Matupu, and he opens the scoring in the 4th minute. His 2nd goal of the season. Midfield working nicely, and don't ever rule out Tava Matlava from these sort of situations. Still Matlava! 2-0! Matupu, plenty of space! Scored his 2nd of the game, his 3rd of the season. Royal AM in full command. And this is only the 3rd time this season that that's happened. I say only. Barnes into the middle, but Tuma misses out. Gumede does it! Gumede pulls one back. Credit for all the hard work that the right winger has done so far. Opens the space up nicely for Yanela Mbutuma. Space for Barnes! Which is by FC to put a goal back. Second half beckons, and it's going to be a ripper, one feels.
Bahai Subuli Pibe Alatel, Miss Alanganj.